Okay, so we're going to look at a little trick we've learned over the years to get your AP Create Project code nice and neat, easily saved as a PDF. So the issue, if you go to show text, copy everything, and if you try to go straight to a Google Doc from code.org, which is what a lot of students do, and you paste, it is not color coded, the indentations are off, it is just sloppy, does not look good. So there is a quick extra step if you go to vscode.dev, that's vscode.dev. You can go there. For the most part, it is, I'm coming down here to the little gear themes. I've already changed mine. A lot of you probably see it in dark mode. You don't want to copy and paste from VS Code in dark mode because if there's a printout version you're getting, that could be problematic with all the dark background. So you want to come down here to manage themes, color theme, change it to one of the light options. And now we're going to create a new file, okay? And we're just going to call this project.js. It's very important that you do .js so that VS Code knows it is JavaScript that it is working with. It's going to prompt you to save it somewhere locally. That part is not really super important. What you name it, it just needs to be created, okay? So that now you have a space. It's now reading as JavaScript code. And now if we paste our code, okay, in VS Code, we're going to have that color coding, the indentations are good. All right, we're going to copy, and now we can go back to that same Google Doc, and if we paste there, now all of a sudden we've got the color coding, we've got the indentations as they need to be, and now we can call this AP Project Full Code or something along those lines. We're going to go to File, Download, PDF. All right, and now we have it downloaded. It is saved as a PDF, and we are good to go. So that gets you your file.